I'm Ramone CASBORN, born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana. My role on the project, founder, creator, and developer at CASBORNSTuDios. CASBORNSTuDios serves as the idea think tank, producing unique, immersive 3D iNFT DeFi game asset experiences, all deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. My personal passion goal is to create a fun NFT game designed to inspire, educate, and develop creative thinking skills, unlocking the millionaire mindset potentials one artist at a time in scale. The project's what? My creative team and I are in Q3 R&D stage on INITIATESINBATTLE, a fun, new, innovative, strategic thinking, immersive, play to learn and earn iNFT game. The game's philosophy. It's designed to eliminate self-hate, envy, jealousy, selfishness, and cynicism by creating a real inner self-love to produce outer love for all humanity. I believe through self-discipline, thought, flow, happiness, self-esteem, and mental toughness from ongoing competitive battles in esports XR/AR gameplay, this will create a new, confident self-image in each user and player. Repetition is the mother of all learning, creating optimism for an attainment of pure flow. To engage regularly in healthy esports among fellow players, becoming self-reliant and persistent within higher advancements in extreme gameplay. The project's why is to establish a fundamental base point that users can elevate from into a stronger, more self-confident 3D avatar image identities from consistent, active mental engagements. My teammates and I believe that problems produce creative results. Establish new neural clarity pathways which radically change each player's outer world behavior from positive inner world changes of thinking. We're using a serendipity formula combining both the chaos of art with the disciplines of science. Thank you for your time.